From the video given, I think photos started off. I think the Cat6 cable, the crimp tool, the RJ connectors, and the cable tester. After which the video started with a short view of my face. Maybe I could say a brief hello. Then after which I picked the crimp tool, peeling off the cable in order to straighten up the wires, after which I arranged them as white-orange. Green, white, green, blue, white, blue. Brown, after which I make sure they are all in the same height. Otherwise, you cut it with the cutter portion on the crimp tool to the after we push them into the RJ connector, orderly colored. As they're pushed, we make sure they're tightly pushed into the tip of the RJ connector. Then we crimp the tip of the RJ connector, so the wires placed in it are locked in perfectly. After all this, we test it with the cable tester, making sure it reads from numbers 1 to 8, showing that the Ethernet cable connection is correct.